Want to be a YouTube star? Dreaming of sharing your creativity with the world and building a community of fans who love what you do? Well, you're in the right place. The first step on your journey to YouTube stardom is simple. You need a Gmail account. This is your gateway to all things YouTube. Think of your Gmail account as your golden ticket to the YouTube world. Without it, you can't create a channel, upload videos, or interact with your audience. No Gmail, no YouTube channel. It's that simple. Imagine trying to enter a concert without a ticket. It just won't happen. But don't worry, setting up a Gmail account is quick and easy. Once you have it, you can sign into YouTube and start exploring. Think of it like a key to a cool club. With your Gmail account, you unlock the door to endless possibilities on YouTube. Once you're in, you can upload videos, chat with fans, and build your audience. Share your passions, showcase your talents, and connect with people from all over the world. So, are you ready to start your YouTube journey? The adventure awaits, and it all begins with a simple Gmail account. Let's get you set up with a Gmail account. It's easy, I promise. Follow the steps and you'll be on your way to creating amazing content in no time. Let's do this together. First things first, let's get you to the right place. Open your web browser. This is the gateway to the vast world of the internet, where you can find information, connect with people, and explore endless possibilities. This is the app you use to surf the internet. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, the steps are pretty much the same. Now, in the address bar at the top of your browser, type in google.com and hit enter. This will take you to the Google homepage, which is one of the most popular search engines in the world. See that colorful Google logo? You're in the right spot. Google is known for its simple and clean homepage, making it easy to find what you need. Now, look for a button that says, Sign In. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the next step. On the next page, you'll see an option that says, Create Account. Click on that. This is where you'll start the process of creating your very own Google account. This will take you to the Google account sign-up page. Here you'll need to fill out some basic information like your name, desired email address, and a password. Make sure to choose a strong password to keep your account secure. Here's where the fun begins. Once you've filled out the form and submitted it, you'll have your very own Google account. This will give you access to a wide range of Google services like Gmail, Google Drive, and YouTube. Enjoy exploring all the features and possibilities that come with your new account. The sign-up page is like filling out a form. Don't worry, it's easy. Google needs some basic information from you. Start with your first and last name. Then, choose a username. This is your online nickname. Make it something cool and easy to remember. Next, choose a strong password. This is what keeps your account safe. Make sure it's something you won't forget. Section 4. Verifying your phone number, keeping your account secure. Google wants to make sure you're a real person, not a robot. So they'll ask for your phone number. Don't worry, it's just for verification. Enter your phone number and choose whether you want to receive a text message or a phone call. Google will send you a code. Enter the code on the next page. This verifies your phone number and keeps your account secure. Section 5. Two-step verification, double the protection. In today's digital age, securing your online accounts is more important than ever. With the increasing number of cyber threats, it's crucial to take every possible measure to protect your personal information. Now let's add an extra layer of security to your account. It's called two-step verification. This method ensures that even if someone gets hold of your password, they still can't access your account without a second form of identification. It's like having a secret code for your account. Imagine it as a double lock system for your digital life. The first lock is your password, and the second lock is a unique code sent to your phone. With two-step verification, you'll need your password and a special code from your phone to sign in. This code is usually sent via text message or generated by an authentication app, adding an extra layer of security. This makes it super hard for anyone else to access your account. Hackers would need both your password and access to your phone, which significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access. Trust me, two-step verification is a game changer. It provides peace of mind knowing that your personal information is safeguarded by an additional security measure. It's the best way to keep your account safe and sound. So take a moment to enable two-step verification on all your important accounts. Your future self will thank you for the added security. Section 6. Congratulations! You're one step closer to YouTube stardom. You did it! You created a Gmail account. That means you're one step closer to becoming a YouTube sensation. How cool is that? You now have a digital passport to the world of YouTube. You can create your channel, upload awesome videos, and connect with millions of viewers worldwide. Section 7. Your YouTube journey begins now. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and explore the amazing world of YouTube. Create content that you're passionate about and share it with the world. Remember, consistency is key. Keep creating and uploading amazing content, and you'll be well on your way to YouTube stardom. Good luck, and have fun always.